We are called the Lois Sound. Maybe not sound like that tonight, but that's what we are.
Hello, I am Josh. I play guitar and sing in the band. And the best feature about me is I'm probably the best dressed in the band.
Oh, man! Nailed it.
Music is a way of expressing yourself. I think so many people try and, even in the professional world, music industry, they go out searching to make big money off their talent. It's important to continue to enjoy what you're doing as a hobby.
Correct.
I am Doug. I'm the antiquated older person in the group. And something interesting might happen to myself. I actually have a split in my tongue. It's really fascinating, you know, but I won't show it on camera. I mean, I grew up with my dad playing piano operating underneath our bedroom, my brother and I's bedroom when I was like 5 or 6 years old, and it was like very poor quality radio, but it had a really interesting influence.
I'm his son and his cousin and his brother-in-law. And hi. And I play guitar and sing.
Oh yeah, I play the drums and
plays
play
drums.
guitar and sing.
And I can do this with my thumb. Whenever we play anything for anybody, there's always such an excitement. We're on like a buzz for like 5 hours after, and it's really exciting to be able to have a connection with other people by playing music for them and entertaining people, and being able to do that is really, really fun for us.
I am Luke, and I am the bass player. I am Groot. No. I am the bass player and vocalist as well, and nothing really particularly interesting about me. I'm half Swiss, half Trinidadian. I guess that's interesting.
Nationality.
So what was your nickname then?
I am Swiss Mocha. Yes. That's right. Swiss Mocha Dad. I love my dad. 2002 was the first time we all played together. 2002, 2003. So it's been 15 years as some iteration. My objective is to always keep coming back to this. I just want to do this because this is fun, this is enjoyable.
The band as a whole is just kind of dedicated to the women in our lives, such as our grandmother, our mothers, our wives, sisters,
Yep,
daughters.
So we're living the objective of just being able to play little for people that we like, and you know, family and friends. We do little anniversary parties or coronation things, and that's kind of, we're living it.